Good morning, kiddos. Today is Tuesday, March 31st. It is the last day in March, so tomorrow we start a new month. Today I learned from yesterday that I need to give more instructions, which is a good thing because I'm learning with this whole thing too. So I need to give better instructions, which I'm going to work on today, okay? For math, we're going to continue with the 120 and focusing on the place value. Today they're calling it units, but don't let that confuse you. It's the same thing as place value or digits like we usually talk about in class. So units and digits are going to be the same thing, okay? Hocus pocus, what's our focus? I can count to 120 in unit form using only tens and ones. To start us off, this one is a lot like yesterday's, but just different numbers, okay? Shanika has 8 roses and 4 tulips in a vase. Maria has 3 roses and 9 tulips in a vase. First question, who has more flowers? So I'm going to start with my labeling. I'm going to start with Shanika, an S. She has 8 roses, so I'm going to do 8 circles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for tulips, I'm going to change my color because the different color helps my eyes and my brain tell the difference between the two parts. And 4 tulips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drawing on the computer is getting harder and harder. Okay, and let's do green for Maria. Maria has 3 roses, so I'm going to first start with an M for Maria. She has 4 roses, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9 tulips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now I'm going to individually count how many they each have and put that total in a circle at the end, just like we did yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is their total. And Maria's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I feel like this is a lot like yesterday's. It might be. How many more flowers does she have? So, like we did yesterday, this is just a good review. We're going to say it's a review question. Remember when we do how many more, that means it's going to be subtraction. And we're subtracting the 13 and the 12, and we always start with the biggest number. So I'm going to draw 13 circles. Okay, I have my 13 circles. I'm going to cross off 12, okay, because my question or my number sentence is 13 minus 12. I'm going to cross off 12 of them. 5, 10, 11, 12. So that leaves me with 1 left. So Shanika has 1 more. Again, that was apparently a review question because we just had that one yesterday. But that's okay. Okay, show me 23 in units. Again, don't be confused with units because it's a new word, a new vocabulary we're using. It's the same as what we talked about with digits, okay? And we see on the screen that there is a place value chart. So 23 in units. 23 has 2 tens and 3 ones. So if we would bring back that units vocabulary, we would say that 2 is a unit, and 3 is a unit. Show me 48 in units. 48 has 4 tens and 8 ones. 4 is a unit, 8 is a unit. 81 in units. So 81 has 8 tens, 1. 8 is a unit, and 1 is a unit. Okay, 103 in units. This one, I foresee some of us getting kind of stumped on. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 103 in quick tens and ones on my dry erase board. Okay, remember, a stick represents a quick 10, and a dot or a circle represents a quick 1. So I'm going to show 103. I'm going to start with my quick tens, and I'm going to skip count until I get to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then I'm going to add my quick ones to get that 3, since it's 103. 1, 2, 3. So now I need to identify how many tens and how many ones, how many units. So I'm going to count how many quick tens I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to put the number 10 in the tens place value. This is where some of us might be getting confused because we watched a video and it said only one digit could be in a place value, but this is an exception because we have not learned the hundreds place value. When you get to second grade, there's going to be another box here just like this, and it's going to spell out hundreds. And in that case, you would put a 1 in the hundreds and a 0 in the tens. But because we have not learned that yet, that would be the exception, is because we are only learning tens and ones. Clear as mud? Okay, so I have my quick tens. I've counted them. Now I'm going to count my quick ones. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 ones. So I put 3 units in my place value. 114. I'm going to do the exact same thing. 114. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now it's 114. 14 has one group of 10 in it. So I'm going to add one more quick 10 and see if that works. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. 110 is still smaller than 114, so that works. So now I just have to do 4 quick ones. Gus is kissing me right now. It's making me tickle. So I'm going to double check my work before I confirm that this is what I want to do. I'm going to do it by skip counting. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114. I was right. I can confirm that that was correct. So now I'm going to go back. In order to put the correct amount of units, I'm going to count my quick tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to put the number 11 in my box. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So there is 114 in units. Great time to get up and move.
I can exercise and count my numbers. My brain gets smarter, my body gets stronger. Now go a little higher, have a lot of fun. Count to 120 by ones. Pump both arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
crisscross arms.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Stretch legs.
1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Crisscross knees.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Tap knees.
1, 42, 3, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Washing machines.
1, 52, 53, 54,
55,
56,
57,
58,
59,
60,
TikToks. 61,
62,
63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68,
69, 70,
shoulders forward. 71,
72, 73, 74,
75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Shoulders back. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Disco roll. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Ride the pony. 101,
102,
103,
104,
105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Now let's jog in place. 111,
112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120.
I can exercise and count my numbers. My brain gets smarter, my body gets stronger. Now go a little higher, have a lot of fun. Count to 120 by ones.
Okay, we're gonna run out of time here on my recording. But this one you're going to circle the correct way